G'day everyone, I'm here today just to do some EZ Street patching.
Go ahead, start right now.
G'day everyone.
Wait.
Hey everybody, this is take number 2 for Tom's Toolbox. You've probably been wondering where I've been. I've not forgot about you. I've been breaking and entering. I've been hunting. I've been doing sales.
This is your first world of asphalt. This is your first world of asphalt. This is your first world of asphalt.
I've been doing it all. So I'm here with Noel Seymour, specialty product account manager for Fulton Hogan in New South Wales in Australia. Where exactly are we right now? We're in Illawong. I-L-L-I-W-O-N-G. Is it really? Yeah, well, it's pretty cool. Well, Noel is going to go, he actually comes from a road maintenance background, and he's been with Fulton Hogan for 5 months as the account manager, and he's going to show potholes to his boss by actually doing kind of a utility cut here in this area, and you're going to see on the video how he does it.
G'day everyone, I'm here today to do some EZ Street patching. So what we've got here is a 30mm patch thick, 8 metres by 1 metre. I'm just going to show you how easy this is to use. I'm just trying to spread it out, get it as even as possible. As you can see, it's pretty easy to use. So Barry, how did you find out about EZ Street?
Oh, a mate of mine, mate. He used to work for Transport New South Wales.
Yeah, okay.
I asked him, what's the best stuff, bitumen, to fix up our laneway, and he says, EZ Street, it's the best.
So this product it's sold all around the world.
Yeah.
In all different climates, even over in Alaska. Now we're going to do a bit of raking. So I'm not sure, I'll probably put a little bit too much EZ Street down, but we can move that. So the purpose of using EZ Street is to fill the patch, but you want to leave a crown above the pavement, because once we whacker plate it, it's going to get compacted down just above the surface. So do you know the reason why you use EZ Street over hot mix?
No, I don't.
So, us being out in Illawong, we're pretty far from the plant. You only need a small amount.
All right. Yeah.
So if you were to come out here with asphalt on a really cold day, it might be a little bit stiff to use. So we use a lot of this product in up in the snowy mountains. The local council up there buys it from us all the time. There we go. So what I'll do now is grab the whacker plate off, give it a good whack, and then it'd be right to open it up straight away. Alright, there you go, finished. As you can see, the EZ Street's just above the surface, and that's okay, because over the next couple of weeks that's going to drop, and that's a good thing too, and it'll sit flush.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks Tom.
I'm glad to be here in Australia with Fulton Hogan.
Excited.
And we're going to show potholes who's boss.